Alright, let's demystify equity multiple. In plain English, equity multiple tells me how many times over my invested cash comes back to me over the life of a deal. If I invest $100,000 after everything, cash flow refinance sale, I've received $200,000 total. That's 2 times equity. Multiple, I doubled my money. Formula time, super simple. Total money I receive back, including my share at sale, divided by the total cash I invested. So, equity multiple equals total distributions plus final equity proceeds, divided by invested equity. But here's the kicker. Equity multiple does not care about time. A 2 times over 2 years is wildly different from a 2 times over 8 years. That's why people pair equity multiple with IRR, which does factor in time. Let me run 3 quick scenarios. Scenario A. I put in $100K, get $10K a year for 4 years, then $150K at sale, $10K, times 4 equals $40K, plus $150K equals $190K, back $190K, divided by $100K equals 1.9 times. Scenario B, same $100K, $0 for 2 years, then a $220K sale. That's 2.2 times, looks better, but no cash flow while I wait. Scenario C, $50K back in year 1 from a refinance, then $60K more over time and $70K at sale. Total $180K equals 1.8 times. My payback started early, which lowers my risk along the way. What I look for: target equity multiple, aligned with the business plan and hold period. For a 5-year value add, 1.8 times to 2.2 times can be solid, depending on market and risk. Cash flow timing, early returns reduce my exposure. Realistic assumptions, rent growth, exit cap and debt terms, fees and waterfalls. I want clarity on who gets paid and when. Common mistakes: confusing equity multiple with cash on cash. Cash on cash is annual income divided by invested equity. Equity multiple is total lifetime return. Ignoring return of capital. Getting my principal back isn't profit, it's just my money returning. Comparing multiples without time. Always ask over how many years. Questions I ask any sponsor: what's the target equity multiple and over what hold period? What % of that multiple is from income versus sale? When do you expect to return my original capital? How sensitive is the multiple to exit cap rates and interest rates? Show me downside. Bottom line, equity multiple is my North Star for total outcome. I pair it with IRR and timeline to gauge speed and risk. If the story, the math, and the timing align, I'm listening. Start your journey toward financial success with Blue Bear Group Corp., your trusted partner in Canadian multifamily real estate investments.